This video, we will guide you on the barcode printer setup. First, let's open on the barcode printer. So in the barcode printer, now we will insert the blank label. So this is the blank label. So we are going to insert this way. So we just put in this way. Just put in. So once you put in ready, you may press on the green color button to open this barcode printer. The barcode sticker, you have to go over from the bottom. So once you go to the bottom ready, so as you can see, there's two green color clips, one of it with the black color button. You may press on the black color button to clip on the barcode printer. So let's press on the black color button to click on the barcode sticker. So once it's clipped already, next I will guide you on how to insert the thermal transfer ribbon. So this is the thermal transfer ribbon. So as you can see, this is the carbon copy. So for this carbon copy, the carbon copy surface, you have to face down to the barcode sticker. So just turn over. And then just to put in here. So once you put in ready, this is the weightage row. For the weightage row, you just need to just roll it. So once you roll it ready, just put on top of it. So we just put in here. So once you complete setup, just press on this to lock the printer. So if the printer is locked already, you may press on the fit button. The printer will automatically adjust the alignment for you. Next, we will guide you on how to set up your paper size. Before you set up your paper size, you may need to use the CD for the installation of the printer. Once the printer installation is done, you may go to Control Panel, Device and Printer. In Device and Printer, locate your printer, right-click, go to Printing Preference. From the Printing Preference, press on New, and then insert the new name 35 multiplied by 25. Put the width to 35, the height to 25. Once you've done it, just press on OK. Now, let's go back to SQL POS. In SQL POS, you may need to do the setting from Setting. Go to Device, select your printer model. Let's say the printer model is Agros. Just press on OK. And just click on OK. Thank you.